Hearing is resumed. Again, let me remind our resource person as well as our members that please refrain for the resource person, refrain from asking questions to the members. Please limit your reply to the questions being asked. At sa atin naman po mga members, please go straight to the point. Ask the resource person the question that you wish to be answered. Direkta, para ho hindi tayo magtagal.
Mr. Chair.
Yes, you have, Congresswoman Brosas, you have 4 more minutes.
Mr. Chair, may I interrupt? I am asking the...
Is this related, Mr. President?
Yes,
to the
it is
question?
related. I am asking yung tatanong to lay the predicate first
Okay,
before,
sige po.
para hindi tayo mawala.
Sige po. Congresswoman Brosas, I hope you can consider the opinion of the resource person by laying the predicate before you ask the question directly to the former president.
Yes, Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, siguro tatanong ko na lang diretso, Mr. Chair. Yung former president ba ay willing na mag-cooperate sa investigation sa ICC? Kaugnay dito?
ICC, ma'am. I'm asking the ICC to hurry up, and if possible they can come here and start the investigation tomorrow. This issue has been left hanging for so many years. Matagal, ma'am, baka mamatay na ako, hindi na nila ako maimbestiga. So I'm asking the ICC through you na magpunta na sila dito bukas, umpisahan na nila ang investigation. And if I am found guilty, I will go to prison and rot there for all time.
Mr. Chair, balikan ko lang yung isa ko pang tanong, Mr. Chair. Ito sa Senate hearing dito, Mr. Chair. Sinabi ni former President Duterte, encourage